Now you have your good edge. You have backtested it. You know I win 15 trades out of 20 or 13 trades out of 20. It is not even a must. You can even win 5 trades out of 20. It depends on your risk reward ratio, because now we are going on what we call risk management. So, and you know how to think in probability. Those who have been following that video, or who have not, if you have not watched those episodes, go and watch them. And you have been following, and you know how to think in probability. Do you think you will be a successful trader? My answer, I'm saying no. You will never be a successful trader. Why? If without a good risk management, you will never make it as a trader. Like the way I've told you on our store of Lamborghini, the fastest car without tires, with even good engine, it will never take you to your destination. Even someone who is VTs is going to pass on you, even will be laughing, saying, bro, come and we go. You can't even race with that someone with VTs. But with tires, do you know what that car that can do to VTs? I can't even explain it. You know it. So now I'm going to tell you, you'll be having your V8 engine, which is edge. You have the body of the car, which is outthinking probability. But now you don't have tire, which is risk management. So they go hand in hand. It is like the story I used to tell you, the story of parts of the body where you're complaining. The mouse was saying, I'm the best. If I close my mouth and you don't put the food in the food in my mouth and it goes in the stomach, your body, the whole body is going to shut down. Then the brain started laughing, saying, you man, are you joking? I'm the one who gives the arm instruction to put the food in your mouth. Then even the arm started complaining, even other parts of the body. But they reached on one day, they reached on conclusion. They said, no, let us follow the formula of son of Sam. The 6 things we are going to talk about today, so that we can be a successful trader. Let us stop fighting money, edge, risk management. Today I'm giving you the full package on free of charge. If you follow this package, you will be a successful trader, because it is what I'm following and I'm making millions of money in this market. You will never see me tell you to give me your money and I teach you. Never. I'm giving you this information for free, because I know people you have been suffering with, those guys in the market, and they are giving you wrong information. They just give you the one part of trading, which is technical analysis. Only that. Then from there you think you know how to, you know trading. You have just learned how to drive today. Then they tell you, you go and start racing with Rakataka. Do you think you will manage that race? You can even die in the race. But me, I'm helping you, giving you all this information on free of charge. If you use it, you will be successful trader. If you don't want to use it, it is a win to me. Me, I will not be losing, but I will be sad because I'm giving information that helped me to make money in the market. But for you, you don't want to use it, you will be losing money. Those who are willing, they will be following this channel. Many things will come. We are going to go deep into everything we have talked about today. So now let's go deep into what we call risk management. Risk management in simple terms is to protect what you have. If you can protect what you have, then you can make more money. So in risk management, in simple terms, like my risk management, I developed the risk management. I can win on a losing trade, and I win on a winning trade. When I was back testing and journaling my every trade I used to take, I saw that every time the market, even if it is a losing trade or a winning trade, the market first gives me those 7 pips on according to my age. The market kept giving me those 7 pips. So I said, when I was journaling, the market can give you 7 pips, then I end up losing. Then I end up losing that trade or winning it, because I win and I rose. In the market, by the way, there is no one who wins forever. No way. You will never win forever in this market. And very many traders, they think that way. When he's in the trade, after losing it, the trade is going to hit the stop loss. God help me. I had my friend started even saying to candle so that the candle can go up. There is no way. God gave you the knowledge. Go and make research. Run on this video. Start doing in the sense of 20 trades. You win some, you lose some, as long as the outcome is income. Don't live and die on one trade. That is even the reason why we put stop losses in the market. By the way, some people, they don't know why we are supposed even to put a stop loss. Today, even in my group, someone came in my group, Telegram group, started saying, me, I don't use a stop loss. I'm sure of what I'm doing. And I started laughing. I said, this guy is not making money in the market. Those are the scammers. Because there is no one who is sure. As we know, in trading, you win more than you lose. You don't win forever. So if you don't use a stop loss, how will you know? How will you make money in this market? Because one trade can kill you. That one trade can kill you. But if you are putting a stop loss, that trade can kill you according to your plan. And I'm telling you, those who are beginners, don't risk more than 1-to-1 risk-reward ratio. Don't risk more than 1-to-1 risk-reward ratio. Why? I will tell you why. Because I'm a beginner. If you're risking like 1-to-1, if you are risking more than 1-to-1, because some people, they can lose 90 trades and they win 20 trades. Like Richard Dennis in 80s was that one trader. He could lose many trades, but he could run on one trade and pays all his debts. But me, I'm telling you, Richard Dennis was experienced man. Even me, I can do it because I'm experienced. But if you're a beginner, risk 1-to-1. Risk the cow to eat the cow. Don't risk the rabbit to get the cow. You will never make it because you are not mentally strong now. Risking into kufunente. Don't risk the cow. Don't risk the rabbit to get the cow. So if you risk, for example, if you are risking like 1-to-10 risk-reward ratio, out of 20 trades, you have a chance of losing 15 trades in a row. So will you for sure come out on 16 trades and you do what you are supposed to do? Even people, they lose their mind on second trade, third trade. So, but if you are risking 1-to-1, the one I'm telling you, you will be healing your brain because there is higher chances. The bad case scenario, you will lose 4 trades in a row, 4 to 5 trades in a row. So if you are strong in your mind, you can still come out of this. So imagine you're risking 1-to-10. You are killing yourself. You'll never make it as a trader. You'll be working, but you'll be broken. So those things, they are done by experienced traders. So if I'm seeing someone, you are just a runner, you have not even made a single coin in the market, someone is telling you risk 1-to-10, that strategy, first leave it for now. I'm not saying it doesn't work. It works, but it works with someone who have already mastered the skills of trading, the one I'm telling you. Because me, I know the more time you heal the brain, the more time you will stay consistent, the more time you will keep doing what you are supposed to do. So like me, I used to see that thing in the market, the one I've been telling you. I've been telling you that story so that I can tell you the reason why I started taking profit. Every after 7 pips, I started winning on a losing trade and on a winning trade. So in January, I saw every time the market is going to hit my stop loss, the market could first give me 5 to 7 pips, then it goes and hit my stop loss. So I decided every time I'm here to do what? To make money. Then I started, in my trading, I call it aggressive style of trading. I started putting in some big growth size, but following my plan, not just putting it because I'm putting it big. Then every time the market gives me 5 pips, I used to take 30% of the entry point, the road size I used when I was entering. I used to take 10%, 30% of the profit. Then after taking that 30%, that trade could go and hit my stop loss. But in my mind, I could say, yes, you have hit my stop loss, but now even me, I have won something on that trade. Do you see how I'm healing my mind? And if that trade goes against me 10 pips without giving me 5 pips, I cut 50% of the lot I have used. But it needs discipline. Without discipline, you will mess up. So in that process, but that thing to happen, a trade goes against me after entering without giving me without giving me 5 pips in 20 trades. You may find 1 or even 0. All traders could give me 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5. That means I was winning on a losing trade and winning on a winning trade. So every time the market gave me that, I have won that 30%. Then the market goes and hit my stop loss, but I've already won that 30%. That means I've cut the losses. If I was supposed to lose like $1,000, I've already cut my 30%. That means I've lost $700. If I'm going to win, like for example, if I'm risking 1-to-1, I've already taken my 30%. That means in the process, I will win more because that thing will happen more than I will lose it. And we are here to make money, and my brain would be happy. Even if I take 30% and the trade continues hitting my take profit, I will be still happy because I'm making money. I will not feel that pain of leaving money on the table because I'm following the plan. It is the plan I'm following. By the way, if you trade without a plan, you just enter trade without a good risk management. If you're risking 1-to-1 and you move out, some people, they will say, let me keep holding, the market is going to give me 1-to-2. And that market comes back and hit your stop loss. Your edge works, you are the one who is not working. If you are taking profit, before it hits your take profit, your edge works, you are the one who is not working. But make yourself work by improving your risk management and following it religiously. We have to trade with plan. This business is very difficult, by the way. Don't just come today. I find some people saying, this setup is very good. I can even risk my kidney on it. Let me increase the lot size. And at the end of the day, you ask him, how was that trade? One. I saw even one guy, he risked everything. He's one of the biggest traders in the country. He risked everything on one trade. There was a new CPI. After hitting his take profit, CPI mazi. Because he doesn't know what to do. He doesn't know what to do. He's risking everything on one trade because he's getting money from you guys who are buying his course. For him, he can't make money in the market. Me, I'm an experienced trader. I can't risk everything on one trade in CPI. But I make hundreds of millions. You will never make that money. You will lose everything you have ever owned. If you meet those guys and you say, by the way, I will make a conference one day. I want to call very many traders in the country and I will put a big prize. We are going to spend all the whole week trading live. Let you say you are making money in the market. Yes, come. We trade live like 20 traders. We see we will come out as a winner. Very many traders, the one you believe that are best traders in the country, they will not even reach 10 traders. They tell us their plan, they follow it when we are watching live. They will never make it because they are not making money in the market. So risk management is very deep, is very wide. So we are going to go deep in the risk management. I tell you the good risk management you are going to use. It is very many, it is wide. But now we are summarizing what we are supposed to do because many traders, they don't know even what to do. But now I'm trying to summarize what you are supposed to do. Then after knowing what to do, then we go deep into it. We know grassroots of everything we are talking about. Then we start doing that. We start practicing that. I promise you will make it as a trader. So now you have your good edge. You now think in probability. You know, for sure you know. Now you have your good risk management. You have made your plan. I will be taking this, I will be risking this. And by the way, when you are risking on each trade, what you are risking must be uniform. Every trade is equal. Because there are 4 types of trades. But very many traders, they think there are 2 types of trades. We have a winning trade, we have a losing trade, we have a bad trade, we have a good trade. But very many traders, they think a winning trade is a good trade. No, a good trade, it is the trade you have followed your rules, your plan religiously without making error. If I follow my plan, everything is okay, everything is in line, and I lose that trade, I say, this is one of the trades that I will lose. But if I win a trade when I've broken my rules, I can even go somewhere and I start crying. I say, oh God, for sure I will not survive in this market, because I know one day I will make that same mistake and it will kill me. And by the way, everything we have been talking about, you can do opposite of them and you still make money on one trade, but you will never make a consistent income. By the way, I'm not here to tell you that you will never make money. No, you can make money today, next week, after today, then next week they will see when you are broke with your computer and telling people I've been a trader. I'm a trader 5 years, you are selling nothing. But me, I'm trying to make consistent traders. Those people will be making money every year, every month, will be increasing their income. That's what I'm trying to teach you guys. If you want those, there are some people who say one shot, one kill. I will live or die on this trade. God help me. I used to do those things. One day I was going to pass a challenge. I remember that day. One day I was going to pass a challenge and I had remained with $500 to pass a challenge of 50,000 USD. By that time, and I was very happy, I was bragging, saying, that $100. Then do you know what happened? By the way, for me, God used to punish me seriously. That's why I became successful trader easily. Do you know what happened? I put in a trade without putting a stop loss. And I said that no matter what, I'm going to get that $500. So the trade came, gave me like $200. Then it started dropping.